Hi dear students, how are you all of you? You all are very warmly welcome on our YouTube channel. Dear students, how are you all of you? Yes, take care of yourself. Now here we are going to understand 1.7 Paramveer Chakra, our heroes. What is the name of the lesson? 1.7 Paramveer Chakra, our heroes. You may have heard about legendary heroes of the past and their extraordinary acts of bravery. They are telling you may have heard about some famous heroes and their work and about their bravery. Of course, we have, but even today, many brave soldiers of our country sacrifice their own lives for our safety. See, we are living in the country and some of our soldiers still they are sacrificing their lives for our country, for our safety. Their brave deeds are honored by bestowing military decorations on them. And see, they are sacrificing their lives for us. So the government is give them honored. It's called the this is the bestowing military decorations on them. Paramveer Chakra is India's highest military decoration. What is the India's highest military decoration? Paramveer Chakra is India's highest military decoration. It is awarded for the most conspicuous bravery, for some daring or preeminent act of valor or self-sacrifice in the presence of enemy, whether on land, at sea, or in the air. On land means the army, sea means the navy, air means the air force. The soldiers they are doing any bravery with the enemies to kill for the enemies. To them they are giving these honors. The Paramveer Chakra is a very rare honor. What is the Paramveer Chakra? It is a very rare honor. It's not means it is given to very less people. So far it has been awarded only 21 times. Okay, only 21 people they have got this award. 14 of these awards were given posthumously, and from 21 41 awards they have given posthumously means after death of the people. First we will understand about the medal. It's given, then we will go to the lesson. This is the medal, dear student. This medal itself is very simple in appearance. Yes or no? It's look like simple. Its appearance is the simple. It is made up of bronze. How, which metal they used? Bronze, and it's fitted with civil mounting and has a plain purple ribbon. It has the plain purple ribbon. On the obverse, it has the Indian national emblem at the center. See, icon is there. This is Indian emblem is there, icon at the center, surrounded by four replicas of Indravarja. Four replicas are there of Indravarjas. On the reverse, the words Paramveer Chakra are engraved in Hindi and English with two lotus flowers in between. What is this? Veer Chakra means it engraved in Hindi, English, that with the two lotus flower in between. The Paramveer Chakra medal was designed by Savitribai Kanholkar. Who has design of this Paramveer Chakra? Savitribai Kanholkar. She was a European lady. Who was she? European lady who married Vikram Kanholkar, an Indian army officer. This Savitribai, you may wonder that she is from Europe and how her name is Savitribai, because she has married with one Indian army officer. Savitribai loved India and took Indian citizenship. She has married with the Indian man, so she has took the Indian citizenship. She spoke Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi fluently and had studied Indian arts and traditions in depth. And she knew the languages Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi. Yes or no? She used to speak it fluently, and she had studied Indian arts and traditions in depth. Indravarja or thunderbolt is supposed to be matchless weapon. What is it? Is supposed to be matchless weapon. But what makes the weapon invisible in the supreme sacrifice of the sage Dadichi? According to the legends, thousands of years ago, a demon had stolen all the water in the world. See, one story they have given. Thousands of years ago, demon had stolen all the water in the world. Yes, innocent people were suffering and dying without water, and those people were innocent. They were dying, suffering because of they were not getting water. This demon could not be defeated by any ordinary weapon made of ordinary material like wood, metal, etc. And this demon, who has taken all the water of the earth, he was not defeated by any ordinary weapon. Ordinary weapon means the weapon which made by wood, metal, etc. Something extraordinary was required to defeat this demon, and this demon was there. Something extraordinary was needed to defeat this demon. It was learned that sage Dadichi had bones of such extraordinary power, and someone learned that the man was there, sage. He was Dadichi, and he had the bones of this extraordinary power. But how could one ask for the bones of living man? And he was alive. Who will ask him to give his bones? Yes. Sage Dadichi was a noble person, and he was very nice. He himself laid down his life and gave his own bones to help the people. But he was noble person. He understood that the people, they are dying because of the water, and his bones are extraordinary. Yes. Indravarja, Indra's weapon of thunderbolts, was fashions from these bones, and the demon was defeated. And he has given his bone, and with his bone the demon he was got defeated. Just as the Indravarja derived power from sage Dadichi's bones, the Indian military derives its strength and power from the sacrifice of the bravest of the brave Paramvir Chakra holders. See, here we can understand this. He was the bravest man. First, here we will understand who are these 21 people. Those they have got this bravest of the people. See, Paramvir Chakra, these 21 people. Major Somnath Sharma. Okay. Lance Naik Karam Singh. Second, Lieutenant Rama Raghova Rani. Naik Jadunath Singh. Company Havildar Major Piru. Captain Guru Bachan Singh Salaria. Major Dhan Singh Thapa. Subedar Joginder Singh. Major Saitan Singh. Company Quarter Master Havildar Abdul Hamid. Yes. Lieutenant Colonel Ardeshir Burjoris Tarapore, Lance Naik Albert Ekka, Lieutenant Arun Ketarpal, Major Hoshiar Singh, Naib Subedar Bana Singh. Yes. Major Ram Swami Parameshwaran, Manoj Kumar Pandey, Grandier Yogendra Singh Yadav, Sanjay Kumar, Vikram Batra also got. Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon, he also got the. Now we will see the last one who has got his story little bit. See the flying bullets, they have given Flying Officer Nirmaljit Sekhon. He at the 21st he has got this. On the 4th his picture is here. On the 4th of December, what is the date? 4th of December 1971, Srinagar airfield was attacked by a wave of six enemy Sabre aircraft. The Sabre aircraft from that 6 enemy they have attacked on India. Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon was on readiness duty at that time, and the officer Nirmaljit Singh was there present at that time. He could not take for immediately because of clouds of dust raised by another aircraft, and he was not taking any decisions immediately because of another's aircraft, another aeroplanes. By the time the runway was clear, the enemy aircraft were overheaded, and runway was clear and the enemy aircraft were overheaded. They were flying low, firing and attacking the airfield with bombs, and they were the fighting is started between them. Even the Flying Officer Sekhon took off in his Ghat fighter the moment he could, and he was taking the moments how much he can. He began to combat the powerful Sabre jet aircraft on the enemy, and he was fighting with very bravery. He damaged 2 of them, and he has damaged 2 of them, their aircraft of the enemies. He fight with the attacking aircraft now continue at rate of high. Yes. At last the enemy aircraft fled from the scenes of battle. The airfield and the town of Srinagar were saved, and the airfield and the Srinagar it was saved because of him. But alas, Flying Officer Sekhon's aircraft too crashed and he was killed. And the man who had saved the Srinagar, he got died. Flying Officer Sekhon displayed great flying skills and determination in the face of the certain death, and at his death he has showed his bravery to everyone. He showed unmatched heroisms above the beyond the call of duty. Salute to the bravest of the brave, Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon, and we can salute to his work. Yes. Do read more on the internet at they have given website on this. We can get more information about the gallant PVC awardees who laid down their lives in the service of the country. You will see that they belong to various communities and religions. Yes, here they have given. Do find and read the inspiring accounts of how they faced the enemy without any regard for their fatal wounds and physical pain. The armies, when they are fighting with the enemies, of course they are getting hurt to their bodies. Even they are trying to stop the enemies to attack on our region, on our country. So these are the information we can get it here. Okay, now exercise is given here. That exercise I will give you. The link I am giving you in the description box to get the answer of these questions. Please dear students see it. Thank you.